Namaste everyone. Welcome to Shruchi Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you my favorite chicken kebab. This is my mother's recipe and family favorite too. Growing up, chicken kebab used to be our weekend treat. Nowadays, I make it for my boys, my 4-year-old and my husband. In this recipe, chicken is marinated in a tangy sauce and the secret ingredient for this recipe is distilled vinegar. Also, chicken is deep fried and the outer layer itself is extremely crispy and crusty. It stays crispy for longest time. Let's see how to make this recipe. Let's look into the ingredients to make chicken kebab. To prepare the chicken kebab masala, you need about 5 to 6 cloves of garlic, 1-inch piece of ginger roughly chopped, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, half a teaspoon of pepper powder, and salt per taste. Finely grind these ingredients along with quarter cup of distilled white vinegar, 500 grams of chicken, and for binding you need half a cup of corn flour. Let's see how to prepare the masala. Grind all the ingredients as shown into a smooth paste. Finally coat this masala with chicken. Make sure that you gently massage the chicken and evenly coat them. Pour the kebab masala and mix it thoroughly with chicken. Gently mix them. Make sure that they are evenly coated. Distilled vinegar helps to tenderize the meat and it is widely used as a meat tenderizer. Chicken is thoroughly mixed with kebab masala. Now it is ready to be refrigerated for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour. This will allow chicken to absorb all its flavors and also it will allow distilled vinegar to tenderize the meat. Chicken has been marinating in the refrigerator for about an hour now. We can now add the corn flour. It's an excellent binding agent, especially for deep frying recipes. Gently mix the chicken and evenly coat them, just like how you mixed kebab masala. Now they are ready to be deep fried. Heat oil in a heavy bottomed utensil. Add about 3 to 4 inches of oil. Gently drop chicken pieces into the oil. Make sure that the oil is at least 375 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Cook chicken in medium-high heat. Each side takes about 5 to 8 minutes and gently flip on the other side and cook for another 5 to 8 minutes. Let it cook until it is deep red color. Kashmiri red chili powder not only gives taste but it also adds color. As you can see, chicken kebabs are looking fantastic and the color is deepened. You can also use Byadgi red chili powder. Even they give very good color to the crust. Use an absorbent paper to drain off excess oil. And they can be served with lemon wedges or onions. I will cook remaining chicken in batches. Also ensure that you don't overcrowd chicken, especially when you're deep frying them in oil. Cook them in small batches so that they are evenly cooked. After you have cooked all the chicken, make sure that you discard this oil after use. One tip that I want to share here is chicken breast cooks faster than chicken thighs. So before you deep fry them, salt them first and then fry them separately so that the meat is evenly cooked and it's not rubbery. Chicken kebabs are ready to be served. You can serve them with lemon wedges and sliced onions. I hope you enjoyed watching this episode on Shruchi's Kitchen. If you have not subscribed to my cooking channel, please do subscribe to Shruchi Kitchen. Also, like this video, share this video, and don't forget to leave a feedback in comment section. Thank you so much. Bye bye.